measuring cup.
Our 10th annual WASSAIL party here at Tandem Ciders. My jacket still fits, and I still really haven't written anything down about what I'm going to say here. But I know since ancient times, people have gathered together in the apple-growing areas of southern England to toast the apple trees in the middle of the winter, and to thank them for the apple harvest, and to scare away any spirits, any malignant spirits, and maybe even some benign spirits, just scare them away, and to make some noise, and to gather together in the middle of the winter. And so that's what WASSAIL is about, and that's what we're doing here. And watch your coats! But I would like to toast the apple, and that's why we're here. Because it's cider that's brought us together, and it's apples that make the cider. And we're so thankful for everything that the apple has brought us. We have awesome growers up here, and awesome cider makers, and awesome consumers and people, and I think it's cider that's brought us all together. And I just want to say, thank you, apple trees. Thank you for the cider and for the apples and the cheer that you brought us. I toast you. The oldest tree in our orchard in the northwest corner. And now, the green man will read the WASSAIL incantation.
Be gone, dark spirits, from our trees. Be gone, you bearers of disease. Be gone, all ill and evil deeds. Take flight this night on smoky breeze. Blessings to the apple trees, to steady rains and gentle breeze, to healthy blossoms and hungry bees. With our cider, we drink to thee. We ask for apples full of taste. We ask for bounty, none to waste. Our oldest tree we now embrace, or Dan just did, with our cider for your grace. Woo!
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! And now we'll make some noise to scare away any malignant spirits. And you know, we've been doing this for 10 years, and we keep selling more cider, and there keeps being more people drinking cider, and so it's got to be doing something right.
That's right.
Let's go! Let's make some